Hi, Chris here from MoneyCoach, and today I'm going to teach you how you can use Quick Entry to quickly add transactions in MoneyCoach. Now, the default way of adding a transaction is already pretty fast, but sometimes you need to change your category, an account, and that time quickly adds up. If you have multiple transactions to enter, one after the other, that might take a while. Luckily, in MoneyCoach, there is a quicker and faster way to add a transaction, and that is Quick Entry. So, let's see how long it takes to add a transaction with Quick Entry. Did you catch that? Now that was fast. Let's try to add the same gaming transaction again, but this time with Quick Entry, and let's see how long it takes for you to add it. So tap Quick Entry, enter the amount, select the category, select the different account, and tap Save. That's it, you're done. In just a couple of seconds you have added a transaction which took way longer with the default way. When you add a transaction via Quick Entry, MoneyCoach uses your favorite account to add it to it. So let's just quickly change the favorite account, for example to the trip to US, which is a multi-currency account, and then we can just write 10 drinks, tap the suggestion box, save, and that's it. We have quickly added a new drinks transaction with Quick Entry in just 2 seconds. As you can see, Quick Entry is a great way to quickly add routine transactions. As always, thanks for watching the tutorial, leave a comment down below and subscribe to our channel for more guides, tips and tricks for MoneyCoach. Thanks.